Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the bonk update today. So one of my technical target has already been met, which was 1826, and I previously was calling for this target back when we were down here. And now what is happening? Because the thing with bonk at the moment is that you have this one little bit of a pattern here, and if you notice, you have broken and retested very successfully. So you've broken that resistance. Previously you got rejection, another rejection, and now we've broken above it and we've seen the retest. And hopefully you can see that you take the top to bottom and you have your next technical target coming up to nearly to 2079, which is going to be another push. Hopefully from there to there we might actually see 15% now. But during the weekends you have to be careful. One more thing is there is a bull cross coming in on the 4-hour time frame. So you've met the cross, you're doing the successful retest. I think everything so far is so good. Now it is still acceptable to touch the 55 like this and then go back up, swipe off all the stop losses here and actually do a fake out and then go back up. That would be really ideal. But if you end up coming down and do a bear cross on the 4-hour time frame, this is actually going to be a fake out provided right over here. Otherwise, until now it's amazing. Even if you make it down to 1743 because of the nature of weekends, because weekends are just not so good, and you might just see that small correction to the downside, and I think it would be nothing more than just a stop loss hunt, and then you go back up to the upside. So you might want to watch the Bitcoin update and why I think Bitcoin is ready for $68,000. And Q4 is coming up and I'm really super pumped for Q4 as well. And that's all for this very quick update on bonk. I'm going to see you in the next one. Office.